Hi guys, welcome back in this new episode of Detailing Guru. In this one, I'm gonna try to answer a question that has been sent to us. Why does my steering wheel keeps getting shiny? First question we have to ask ourselves is, what's the surface of my steering wheel made of? We have a steering wheel made of leather, we have possible a steering wheel made of plastic, and we can also have a steering wheel made of Alcantara. But in this episode, we're gonna talk about leather steering wheels. So actually, what is leather? You have to think about leather is like our skin. Our skin is very porous and leather can get very dirty. Just like our skin, we have to clean it. We have to clean our leather as well. What kind of contaminants come on our steering wheel? Well, we have our hands. For example, you can get lotion on it. You can also have dirt on your hands and you touch your steering wheel. All this gets transferred into the pores of the leather, and this is what we need to clean. Before we start cleaning the steering wheel, I will put a towel behind my steering wheel because I don't want to have splatter everywhere. Not that I will have it, but many people try to spray their steering wheel with product, and this will cause a lot of splatter on your dashboard. So, towel behind it, and we will start the process. We take leather cleaner strong. In this case, you can take a mild, but this steering wheel is very dirty, so we are in need of a strong cleaner. I have my brush, and I'll try to massage in the whole steering wheel with some foam and do a gentle action on the part of the leather. You can also use a little bit of foam on your glove and massage in your steering wheel so you get a good deep clean without having a lot of splatter. Yeah? And to give you an idea how dirty it is, I will take some tape and tape off this side so we see a very good difference between the clean side and the non-clean side. So now I will take a white towel to wipe off this excess, and I like to take light colored towels because this way I will see what kind of dirt is coming off my steering wheel and I will see it in the towel. So straight motion, one direction. So we did the first wipe off, but now I still have some chemicals sitting on my steering wheel, and this may cause a little bit of stickiness, and also you don't want to have chemicals on the leather left over. So I will take a little bottle of water, do a couple of spritzes on my towel and give it a gentle wipe down. So I remove all the leftover chemical on my leather steering wheel. And then on the next process, I will take a dry towel and give it a final wipe down. So I have no sticky steering wheel and no chemicals that are left on my leather parts. By using a spritz of water and a towel, I remove all the chemicals from the steering wheel, I dry it with a third one, and it's clean and non-sticky. After our cleaning, what about protection? Well, honestly, I don't like to have anything on my steering wheel because it's my direct contact with the car. Unless you're gonna plan to vomit or to spill Coca-Cola on your steering wheel, this might be the case. But for me, no protection. Although, a great solution is to have some interior detailer in the car and every weekly wash, or when you feel the need, to give it a final wipe with a towel, but spray it on the towel, wipe down off the steering wheel, and your steering wheel will be less shiny over time. To sum it up, you will need to do a deep clean of your steering wheel once in a while. But after that, proper maintenance, every wash with a bit of interior detailer is the best solution to get your steering wheel less shiny. That's it for me today. I'm gonna take this proper V8 out for a drive. I'm out. See you soon. Ciao.